Coinbase appears to have been sending every XRP community around in circles recently, and it appears that the prominent exchange website is unable to make up its decision. Is it because the SEC is also looking into Coinbase? Is Coinbase going to take XRP into account? Was the XRP Coinbase relisting a mistake? Continue watching this video to learn more so you don't lose out on a fantastic chance to win a giveaway of 25 XRP tokens at the end of this month. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to XRP Hut, your one-stop shop for all things XRP and cryptocurrency. In today's video, we'll discuss about XRP and why the XRP Coinbase listing wasn't a mistake, so keep your eyes on the prize. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and enable post notifications by clicking the bell so you don't miss any of our uploads, and also enter our prize. Now that we've gotten everything out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Ripple Labs was a prominent and profitable San Francisco-based payment business before it was involved in an SEC litigation. This litigation was dubbed the crypto trial of the century, and it knocked Ripple's digital asset XRP from 3rd to 6th and even 7th place. Almost all cryptocurrency exchanges listed XRP and stopped trading this one-of-a-kind coin. However, as the case progressed, Ripple regained its standing, and many exchanges began relisting XRP. Coinbase, a big American crypto exchange that similarly delisted XRP, recently relisted it but quickly clarified that it was only a technical issue. Crypto speculators, however, did not believe it was a mistake. 4 XRP trading pairs surfaced on the Coinbase platform, leading many to believe that the crypto exchange has relisted the digital coin. Due to the continuing legal dispute between the blockchain business and the SEC, the Nasdaq listed corporation earlier banned Ripple from its platform for trading. Coinbase ceased trading in XRP on January 19, 2021, and has not stated whether or not it would restore trading services for Ripple. Many traders assumed that the trading pairs of XRP displayed on the screen meant that the exchange had relisted the digital asset. Following that, the price of XRP surged. It didn't last long, though, because people assumed the token had been relisted on the market. The Delaware-based cryptocurrency exchange quickly revealed on Twitter that XRP was temporarily viewable on the platform owing to a technical mistake, but users could not trade the coin. When customers assumed that XRP was once again listed on the market, the price of XRP increased by 13%. However, once Coinbase denied the relisting speculations, which caused Ripple to tumble by 10%, the day's fast gains vanished. While Coinbase is also being sued by the SEC, numerous crypto groups have asked the exchange to relist XRP in order to express support with Ripple in its fight against the SEC. And, for cryptocurrency fans, this explanation was insufficient, as individuals on social media suspected that Coinbase was attempting to mock the SEC in reaction to the SEC's recent threat to sue the crypto exchange. A Reddit user noticed that the Coinbase app now claims that trading is not currently enabled, despite the fact that the app previously said that Coinbase does not support this asset. So, this could imply that they intend to relist the coin. The relisting was not a bug, but rather a clue that Coinbase is considering relisting XRP. Even the court has stated that crypto exchanges that relist XRP will not be breaking any laws. As a result of the hasty relisting, the value of XRP surged, as that will be the price when Coinbase legitimately relists XRP. That is, if the relisting, which is simply intended to be a glitch, caused such a tremendous upward momentum in the valuation. This occurred after the SEC stated that if the US-listed Bitcoin exchange implemented its LEND program, it would be sued for securities regulation violations. Following Ripple, the Coinbase SEC case could be the next chapter in the SEC's security lawsuits. If Coinbase does not want to go it alone against the untrustworthy SEC, social media is flooded with requests to relist XRP on that trading platform. Regardless of market sentiment, Coinbase has yet to make an official announcement on the relisting, and the XRP listing on their website suffers frequent difficulties. Coinbase did give the SEC a hard time. It did not, however, last long. The SEC has informed us that it intends to sue us over LEND. Just a few weeks after we published a defiant blog post, I know what you're thinking. What exactly is LEND? We'll tell you what. For nearly 6 months, Coinbase has been actively engaged with the SEC regarding LEND. Coinbase has been eagerly awaiting their feedback as they explore new ways for clients to get more financial empowerment on Coinbase. LEND, in particular, is seeking to allow qualifying clients to earn interest on specific assets on Coinbase, beginning with a 4% APY on USD Coin. Sure, Coinbase could have simply launched the product, but they did not. Other cryptocurrency companies have had lending products on the market for several years, and new loan products have been launched as recently as last month. Coinbase, on the other hand, believes in the importance of open and substantive discussion with our regulators. As a result, they took LEND to the SEC first, and, as a result of the current scenario, Coinbase quietly announced lately that it will not be introducing the LEND product because Coinbase's LEND program does not qualify as a security, or, in more legal terms, it is not an investment contract. Customers will not invest in the scheme. but rather lend the USP they possess on Coinbase's platform as part of their current relationship. Furthermore, while LEND users will receive interest as a result of their participation in the program, they will be required to pay this interest regardless of Coinbase's broader business activity. So, what is Coinbase going to do next? Despite Coinbase's decision to remove LEND from the market and provide thorough information, the SEC has yet to explain why they perceive a problem with it. The SEC, on the other hand, has informed Coinbase that if they launch LEND, the SEC intends to sue. Coinbase requested the SEC yet again if they would explain its explanation, but the SEC refused. They've simply notified Coinbase that they are evaluating their LEND product through the lens of 2 decades-old Supreme Court decisions known as Howie M. Revez. The SEC will not share the test itself, simply the knowledge that it was performed. The SEC clear instructions on how they intend to apply the Howie M. Revez test to products such as LEND would be a huge assistance in responsibly regulating our business. Instead, the SEC Wells notice from last week indicates to Coinbase that the SEC would prefer to skip those basic regulatory requirements and go straight to litigation. The SEC has even offered Coinbase the opportunity to submit a written defense of LEND, but that would be meaningless because we don't know what the SEC is concerned about. The SEC has frequently requested that the Coinbase industry speak to them, and Coinbase claims to have done so. Despite this, Coinbase came to the conclusion that it is best to take LEND off the market indefinitely without understanding why, lest they get sued. As a result of all of this, we will not be able to launch LEND until at least October. Coinbase continues to welcome further regulatory clarification. Uncertainty and ambiguity discourage new solutions that customers demand and that Coinbase and others can safely supply. Now, let's take a quick glance at the current price of XRP. At the time of upload, the price of XRP is $1.06. With a 24-hour trading volume of 3 million plus and the current coin market cap ranking is 7. With a live market cap of $49 billion plus and XRP has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a maximum supply of 46 billion XRP coins. 100 billion XRP coins are available. Ripple's price may skyrocket in October 2021. Experts expect that this cryptocurrency will see widespread adoption this month. In October 2021, you may expect a Ripple growth with a large capitalization and, as a result, a significant increase in the value per coin. With an increase in trading volume and market value, the XRP price has risen 1.19% in the last 24 hours. The XRP has been on a solid rising trend over the last 7 days, increasing by 13.95%. XRP has recently demonstrated strong potential, and now could be an ideal time to jump in and invest. That's all we've got for you today. Fellas, what are your opinions on the relisting of XRP on Coinbase? Was it a mistake? Or is Coinbase teasing the XRP community? Participate and let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on future films, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we release a video on the newest XRP and cryptocurrency news. You can watch our previous movies about XRP or other cryptocurrencies till the next video is released. Thank you for viewing, and we will see you in the future video.